I got my hands on the new Samsung Galaxy phones here in Paris. So I was at Galaxy Unpacked for the launch of a bunch of their new tech. It was my first ever Unpacked and it wasn't a disappointment. So first up we were introduced to the whole shebang by the CEO himself, and then it was right into it. So first up we were shown the new game-changing Galaxy Ring, and then some smartwatches that are awesome, and then the new Z Fold 6 and the Z Flip 6 pack full of AI, and then we had a little appearance from Sydney Sweeney. And then finally we saw the Buds 3 and 3 Pro, which have got real-time interpretation, which I can't wait to check out. Now here's me just talking to myself. I did do a video, but you couldn't hear me. But this is the hands-on experience center at the end of it, where all the devices are all laid out for you to go and have a little play, go and get some hands-on. And here is the Z Flip 6. Now I'll deep dive into all of these products in another video, but I'll just give you a flavor for now. There's an improved camera, which is the same as the S24. You've got enhanced AI photos, flex cam with auto zoom. It's got upgraded interpreter mode. You've got camcorder grip again, which I love. Now here's my nemesis, the Z Fold 6. Now to be fair, it is the slimmest and lightest yet. It's got a smaller bezel. Again, packed full of AI features, AI that's linked to YouTube. But I love this sketch to image where you can just do a little doodle, click generate, and then AI will make that picture for you from that little doodle, which is pretty cool. You've got a lot of different options to choose from. And then we've got the Galaxy Watch Ultra, again ram full of AI for sleep analysis, tracking habits, heart, sleep, fitness, etc. And the Galaxy Ring. What can I say? Much anticipated. And I know I've said it before, but these are a game changer when it comes to sleep analysis. And a big plus, there's no subscription needed. So there we have it. That was my day at Galaxy Unpacked. I'm going to go away and get some more content and share lots more with you.